Are you new to stacking silver and gold? Well, don't get fooled. Do not fall for the high premium prices on things that should be cheaper. In this video, I got a little small package I'm gonna unwrap for you guys. I'll be right back and I'll give you some advice. All right, guys, welcome back once again. My name is Silver Britches. And in this video, guys, I want to talk to you about if you're new to stacking silver and gold. There are ways to get fooled. There's ways to get burned. There's a lot of people out there who are just in it for profit. So you want to do your research first. And while I'm talking to you, let me go ahead and get this package. Unwrapped a little bit. Been waiting on this for a minute. It finally decided to show up. As you guys know, the mail, or if you're not aware, the mail is just not working too well right now. Go figure. But hey, it finally showed up. Happy about that. And it looks like it's packaged extremely well. So this is going to be a little bit of a fight. So let me go ahead and pause it, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So that was a couple of minutes for me fighting all that crap. I mean, it was really, really packaged. Wow. And it smells horrible for some reason. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. But I did pick this up from Bold Precious Metals. They were the only place that I could find what I was looking for. Now, sure, they had I could find everything else that I got from other places, but they had a sale on one item that I've been wanting. And then they are the only ones that I could find with these. And, you know, silver went up pretty good since I bought it. So I'm really regretting not getting more of these now. So, but I had the 10-ounce versions of these. They are the Magnificent Maple. So yeah, it's the 2-ounce 2020 version. Beautiful coin. Love the maples. Nice 2-ounce chunky coin. And it's going to go good with all my other 2-ounce maples that I have accumulated this year. So really stoked about getting that. That's why I really went with the bold on this one, because I wanted this. And they were the only person that I could find that had it. I think Silver and Gold Bull was sold out. So, and the other reason why I did place that order was because I was after this one. And it is from the Perth Mint. You guys know I love the Perth Mint stuff. You guys know that side. It is the Dragon. The Double Dragon? Yeah. The Double Dragon from 2019. So yeah, really love the Perth Mint quality. Hard to beat that Perth Mint stuff, guys. Super excited about that. And to go ahead and fill out the order, I needed a couple more maples to go with it. So I went with the 2020s. Beautiful. Love the maples. Love all my Canadian silver. Really do, man. They do a wonderful job. And a pretty good order from Bold. It's just the shipping was slower than I anticipated, but you know, it made it here. So that's the main thing. So super stoked about getting that in from Bold Precious Metals. If I get a good deal on stuff, I don't mind shouting out those bullion dealers. So let's get to the point of this video, which is not getting fooled when you're buying silver and gold. So a lot of people that watch my videos, they've been around for quite some time, and they know how to shop. They know what they want. They're after pretty much the same thing as I am. They're trying to get the best value for their dollar. And that's what stacking essentially is all about. It's about preserving your wealth in precious metals to hold its value. That's what you're doing. At least that's the point to me as far as stacking. I want to convert from the dollar into precious metals. Now, there's a ton of ways to get fooled. Tons and tons and tons of ways to get fooled. And usually it happens whenever you have dramatic shifts, whether they're up or down in spot price. That's usually when the leeches come out, I should say. The ones who jack up your premiums who tell you it's a great deal when really it's not. There's tons of little companies out there that will just take advantage of you. They'll say, hey, buy this Silver Eagle, for $20, and then the next month you'll get one and it'll be, $40. There's companies out there that do that, man. So don't fall victim to things like that. If it sounds too good to be true, 9 times out of 10, it is. And you really should proceed with caution. Now, another thing about buying precious metals right now is you have silver on the COMEX price is going over $19 per ounce. And you have gold, which is one of my main focuses right now, is over $1,800 per ounce. Now, the only reason why I am buying gold is because I did not own enough of it. Now, I wanted to get more into silver because of the fact that I think it has a better chance of doubling versus what gold can do. Gold will have to go into the high 3,000s per ounce to double, where silver will not have to do that. Now, silver has been in the dumps for 8-9 years. So that was the optimum buying time as far as buying silver. Now is not really a great time to be purchasing a bunch of silver, in my opinion. But to each his own. If you don't have any, I don't see a problem with you guys, go ahead and buying. But you want to make sure that you're getting something of value out of it. Now, if you're going to buy right now, you're going to pay anywhere between $22 per ounce. So silver hasn't hit that price in quite some time. So it's really going to have to do some work to get your money back out of it. You see what I'm saying? Whereas if you bought silver last year or before, you're already sitting in the black. You know what I mean? So your prospects aren't looking exactly wonderful. You know what I mean? But I understand the need or the feel to get into buying precious metals, especially silver and gold. So, like I said, buying gold right now, it's near all-time highs. And can it keep going up? Sure, absolutely. It's been performing extremely well. And I see videos constantly, because I'm a fan of YouTube myself, telling you that silver is outperforming gold. That's just not the case. It really isn't. Sure, it's had a great second quarter, but you got to remember, at the start of the year, silver was in the $18 price range, and then it took a dump in March along with everything else. But it took a huge dump. So it had to really work itself back up. And now it's actually $1 in the positive from the beginning of the year, which is good if you own silver. It's good if you hold it. But man, people sitting here telling you that it's performing beautifully when it's only gained $1 for the entire year. It's just not the case. Okay. It's just not true. So, I'm not telling you who to watch, who not to watch, what to watch, but just be careful where you get your information from, okay? People, they just want views. They want clicks, you know what I mean? So just be careful whenever you're watching those certain channels, because they sit there and tell you that it's going to outperform gold, and that's just not the case, man. Gold was selling for $1,300 an ounce last year. It's over $1,800 an ounce this year. So don't believe that crap, okay? Trust me, don't get fooled. And now, another thing that I see a lot of people falling for, and I put out a video on this as well, is they're falling for these 2020p Silver Eagles. Now, I'm seeing the stinking rolls of them, okay? The rolls of them are selling for over $900 per ounce. Okay, and they're getting them classified as Gem BU. Now, the reason why they're classified as Gem BU and not Proof 69 or Proof 7, or I'm sorry, MS 70 or MS 69, is because they don't classify it for it. So what you're getting is you're essentially getting a roll of Silver Eagles that is certified by NGC or whoever is certifying them. saying that they're gem uncirculated. Okay, they come from the mint, gem uncirculated. Why do you need a graded tube telling you that they're gem uncirculated? What you're getting is mint state eagles that are less of a grade than a 69 or a 70, and they just put them back in a tube, slapped a label on it, and they said, hey, here you go. It's a ripoff, man. I'm telling you, guys, do not fall for that. Those eagles are not going to go up in value. That's just not going to happen. Sure, you might pay a hefty premium for them now, but you're not going to get that back. I'm telling you. Now, another thing that a lot of people are buying hype into is your gold backs. Now, I'm not going to knock people for selling them, for taking a little bit of profit here and there, because you can, make a couple dollars here and there selling them, and that's fine. They're a great novelty piece. They're a great conversation piece, but they're not for stacking. They're not for stacking, okay? Do not stack those. Do not buy a whole bunch of Utah Goldbacks. I was on a live stream and I seen someone just promoting the heck out of it. And I'm just like, dude, that is a terrible advice you're giving right now. Do not fall for that, okay? Utah Goldbacks, like I said, it's a great novelty. It's something that I would love to get behind if our dollar was backed by gold, kind of like it is with the Utah Goldbacks. But they're not for stacking, okay? That's just not the purpose of them. And I know people are buying the heck out of them, and you're gonna get burned by them because you're never gonna get that. You're never gonna get that back. So be careful with that. I mean, if you buy the $1 version, right? You'd have to buy $400 worth to get the same amount of worth from the 1/10 ounce gold American Eagle, which is $200. See what I'm saying? You're paying double for a 10th ounce of gold. So you might as well just buy the 10th ounce of gold. You might as well just save your money and buy the 10th ounce of gold. So I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of advice. Be careful whenever you are making your purchases. I know it. You want to get in. You want to play catch up to everybody else. You want to keep up with the Joneses, but just be careful, guys. Make your choices wisely. Do a lot of research before you get into it, because you can get burned big time, and I don't want to see that happen to people. Now, there's plenty of channels you can watch. Like I said, my good buddy Florida Stacker. You can watch Yankee Stacking, Silver Dragons. You can watch Stacking Stormtrooper. Guido Stacking puts out a lot of great stuff for new stackers. Check those channels out. Buy what they're buying, guys. They're buying things the right way. Okay, they're not going to steer you in the wrong direction either. But there are hype channels out there, man, that will just tell you, the wrong stuff. And I don't want to see that happen to you guys. Even Silver Joker, that Joker, he buys everything. So I can't fault him for that. But there's a lot of channels out there. Make sure you check them out. Hope you liked the video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep grinding on your stack.